Are you in your 20s or 30s and wondering why your income isn't growing as quickly as you expected? What if I told you that in just a few years, you could be earning money while you sleep? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 income streams everyone should build in their 20s and 30s. And these are strategies that can set you up for financial freedom. Whether you're starting your first job, building your career, or looking for ways to diversify your income, this video will show you exactly how to secure your financial future. Stick around and discover how you can build wealth that works for you. 1. Dividend-paying stocks and index funds, the gold standard of passive income. Let's kick things off with the gold standard of passive income, dividend-paying stocks and index funds. If you're looking for a way to make your money work for you without constantly working for it, this is where you should start. By investing in established companies that pay regular dividends or broad market exchange-traded funds, ETFs, you earn consistent cash payouts while benefiting from the long-term appreciation of the market. Why should you invest in dividend-paying stocks and index funds? Well, first of all, dividend-paying stocks are reliable. Companies that pay dividends are often well-established, financially stable, and committed to returning value to their shareholders. Over time, this creates a consistent income stream. For example, when you invest in dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their dividend payments for decades, you ensure a steady income flow even during tough market conditions. The beauty of index funds is their diversification. Rather than putting your money into one single stock, index funds spread your investment across a wide range of companies. This reduces risk because the overall performance isn't reliant on one stock's success or failure. Over time, the stock market has consistently shown growth, and by investing in index funds, you allow your money to grow steadily. 2. High-growth digital products, scalable income with low overhead. Next up, let's talk about high-growth digital products. In today's digital age, you don't need a physical storefront or inventory to build a successful business. By creating digital products like ebooks, Notion templates, or online courses, you can create scalable assets with nearly 100% profit margins. Once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again with minimal ongoing costs. The first benefit of digital products is that they can be sold globally. You don't have to worry about shipping, inventory, or physical overhead. Whether you're selling an online course or digital templates, platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website make it easy to distribute your product to a worldwide audience. But why are digital products so powerful? Because they allow you to reach more people without more effort. Once the product is created, it's essentially passive income. You might need to put in some time up front to create the product, but after that, it can generate revenue automatically as long as your marketing is on point. Creating digital products also allows you to share your expertise with the world. Let's say you're passionate about personal finance or health and fitness. You can create an online course teaching others what you know, and people pay for your knowledge. By leveraging platforms like Teachable or Skillshare, you can reach an audience that's interested in your content, and once it's set up, it runs on its own. What's even better, the more niche your digital product, the more specific your target market will be. This means you can stand out and build a loyal customer base. So, whether you're looking to sell templates, courses, or digital art, creating high-growth digital products is an excellent income stream to build in your 20s and 30s. 3. Affiliate marketing ecosystem, earning money through promotion. The third income stream you should consider building is affiliate marketing. If you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or strong social media presence, affiliate marketing can be a great way to monetize your audience. This involves promoting products or services you use and believe in and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Why is affiliate marketing so effective? Because you're earning money by recommending products that are relevant to your audience. People trust influencers or content creators who share products that have worked for them, and they're more likely to make a purchase. By integrating affiliate links into your blog posts, YouTube videos, or Instagram posts, you can earn passive income on autopilot. Affiliate marketing can be done in multiple ways, whether it's through a blog, social media, or video content. For example, if you create a blog about tech gadgets, you could include affiliate links to the latest phones or accessories. As your content ranks higher on search engines, your affiliate links generate more clicks, and with each click, you earn a commission. The The beauty of affiliate marketing is that once you set it up, it becomes a recurring income stream. You can integrate affiliate links naturally into your content and let the commissions roll in. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share Sale, and Commission Junction make it easy to find products to promote and start earning commissions. By focusing on valuable content and building trust with your audience, affiliate marketing can become a reliable, long-term income source. For real estate via REITs or fractional ownership. For many people, real estate is the ultimate wealth-building asset. However, buying entire properties isn't always an option due to the high capital required. This is where real estate investment trusts, REITs, or fractional ownership come in. These methods allow you to invest in real estate with a much smaller financial commitment, while still benefiting from rental income and property appreciation. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. By investing in a REIT, you get exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of property management. REITs pay out dividends from the rental income they collect from properties they own, providing a steady stream of passive income. They also offer potential for long-term capital appreciation as the real estate market grows. If you want to go a step further, fractional ownership allows you to invest in a portion of a property, sharing ownership with others. This gives you the opportunity to earn rental income and benefit from property appreciation without needing to purchase an entire property. With fractional ownership, you can diversify your real estate investments without the risk and costs of full ownership. Real estate has historically been a strong wealth-building asset, and by using REITs or fractional ownership, you can start building your portfolio without needing significant capital up front. This strategy offers a way to earn passive income and build long-term wealth with minimal effort. 5. High-income freelance gigs, the skill stream. The fifth income stream is high-income freelance gigs, often referred to as a skill stream. With the gig economy booming, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easier than ever to offer specialized skills and services to a global market. Whether you're a graphic designer, content writer, web developer, or even an AI prompt engineer, freelancing offers flexible opportunities to earn money on your terms. The advantage of freelance work is that you can start small and scale over time. Whether you're offering one-off services or building long-term contracts, freelancing provides a way to generate significant income based on your expertise. You have control over your rates, work schedule, and workload, allowing you to focus on projects that align with your strengths and interests. As you gain experience and build a strong portfolio, you can increase your rates and take on larger projects. Freelancing also allows you to diversify your income streams by working with clients in different industries, from technology and healthcare to marketing and education. Building a freelancing business may require some effort up front, but once you establish a client base, it can provide a steady flow of income. If you eventually want to expand your freelance business into a full-scale agency, the skills you develop now will position you for long-term success. Plus, with the flexibility of freelancing, you can choose to work remotely and have more control over your lifestyle. So there you have it. These are the top 5 income streams everyone should build in their 20s and 30s. From dividend-paying stocks and high-growth digital products to affiliate marketing and real estate investments, these systems are designed to build wealth automatically. By starting early and investing your time and money into these income streams, you set yourself up for long-term financial security. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how you make your money work for you. Whether you're in your 20s or 30s, it's never too early to start building your financial future. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful, share it with someone who could benefit from these income strategies, and subscribe for more content to help you build wealth and achieve financial independence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.